Okay, I would like to say well done to Jaslyn, Jervin, Kashita, Marissa, and Raha, right? Because these students, they actually submitted their homework. All right, so I hope you keep it up, all right, to submit your homework. So I would like to know, of course, there are students who are here but did not submit your answers. All right, like Jia Ping, you forgot to do, too busy to do. And then the rest, yeah, you submitted. All right, let me admit Skylar. Hey, hi, Skylar. You have Chinese exam today, all right? I hope it is an easy exam for you, Jia Ping. Right, so we have one more student coming in, Kashita. Okay, we can start already. All right, now, we don't have any new students right now. Hang on. Okay, Giselle is coming in. All right. Okay, but I really appreciate that Jia Ping explained to me. All right. Of course, if you forgot, are you really too lazy to do, just be honest. Rather students are honest rather than to tell lies. All right. So thank you for telling me the reason, Jia Ping. All right. So hope you did well for Chinese. All right. So let's continue with our slides. Okay, so first question. All right. So for this question, looking at the report of students who submitted. Now, this question is poorly done. All right, so let me admit Hayden. Okay, so can y'all read the question and try again? And type your answer into the chat. All right, especially Kashita, Marissa, and Raha, would you like to try again? Okay, let's look at this. We do it together. All right. So animal P, someone unmute yourself. All right. How many stage life cycle quickly? 3 or 4 stage?
3.
3. So you need to have a hyphen. All right. 3 hyphen stage. And then life, must write life cycle. All right. Then of course, animal Q would be 4 hyphen stage. All right. So animal Q has a 4 stage life cycle. Okay. All right. So we want correct one. So you put a tick. Okay, so larva of animal Q. So I check, there's larva in animal Q is correct. Animal Q has a larva and the larva eats a lot. Is it true? All right, it's obviously true. Larva eats a lot. All right, let me see. Okay, so some of you got this wrong. Okay, so Marissa, take note. Marissa and Raha, take note. Larva eats a lot. Larva is a very greedy stage. All right, larva keeps eating and eating. Do you know that butterfly larva? Butterfly larva, what is another name for butterfly larva? Butterfly larva is known as what? Caterpillar, right, Marissa? Thank you. Okay, so thank you, Jia Ping and Marissa. So caterpillar larva eats a lot. So if you have the butterfly larva, which is the caterpillar, if you are a farmer, you really feel like crying because the caterpillar is eating up all your leaves, all your green leaves, and then you cannot sell them anymore. All right. So instead of selling your plants, you are like giving free food to the caterpillar, all right, which is in the larva stage. Okay, let me admit Kai Han. Okay, so let's look at statement B. Animal P could be grasshopper. Now we know that grasshopper is 3 stage. It's a 3 stage, and it is an insect. All right. So it is true that it could be a grasshopper. It's true. All right. Now, as long as you see 3 stage life cycle and if you see neem, it means that it must be an insect. All right. Once you see the word neem, it must be an insect. Okay, because if it's not an insect, I will not call it neem. This word neem it belongs to insect. So NIM is only for insect. All right, frogs. Frog has 3 stages, but frog does not have NIM. All right, so take note of that. Frog, although frog is also 3 stage, but we say egg. We will actually say egg tadpole adult. That is for frog. All right, or egg young adult. We will write egg young adult for frog. All right, but for insect, we will write egg NIM adult. So grasshopper is an insect and it's 3 stage. So it is true that P could be grasshopper. All right. Now, statement C, Q's young resemble is adult. Now, once you see, let me write here, once you see 4 stage, straight away, you must know that the young does not look like adult. Straight away. Once it's 4 stage, it will not look like. All right, the young does not look like it's adult. So take note of that. So I will highlight this. Okay, maybe I'll highlight in orange. All right, once you see 4 stage, it means the young does not look like adult. All right, the young does not look like adult. Then for 3 stage, right? Most of them, the young look like adult, except for, anybody can tell me which animal has 3 stage, but yet the young does not look like adult. It's a special case.
Egg.
Say again?
The egg.
No, which animal? Which animal has 3 stages and yet the young does not look like adult? You know what I mean? Like grasshopper has 3 stages. Grasshopper's young look like adult. But which animal has 3 stages?
I know, frog.
Very good. Frog. All right, frog. Chicken, Kai-Han, baby chicken also look like adult chicken, right? Just a small version. All right, it's like a mini version. So a chick looks like an adult. All right, so for chicken also have 3 stages, but chicken, grasshopper 3 stages, chicken, grasshopper, the young look like adult. So for most 3 stage, the young looks like adult except for frog. Okay, so I'm going to write here. So if you see 3 stage, right? It means the young looks like adult except for frog. All right, the young looks like adult. Okay, except frog. Frog, the young does not look like adult. Because frog, the young of a frog is called tadpole, right? Tadpole has a tail. Adult frog has no tail. All right, tadpole has no legs, but frog has 4 legs. So tadpole and frog look very different. Okay, so for special case, frog is a special case. So even though frog has 3 stages in the life cycle, a frog's young does not look like adult. Whereas the rest, the other animals, all the 3 stage one young look like adult. So how do you memorize this? Let me teach you. Very, very easy. 3 stage, you just tell yourself 3 stage, young look like adult. 4 stage, they change so many stages, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 stages. Therefore, the young will not look like adult already. All right, however, special case, frog is a special case. Even though it is 3 stage, the young does not look like adult. Tadpole does not look like adult. All right, is everybody clear? Okay, so here, statement C is wrong. All right, because Q is 4 stage. All right, next, both life cycles of animals. Now, anybody can tell me what is wrong with D? They are saying both life cycles of both animals begin with the 8th stage.
I know.
Yes, got 8. Wow, both of them start with 8. Yes.
Because we don't know it might have started from the adult as well. Because without the adult, how do we get the egg?
All right, good. Okay, then so in a life cycle, there is no start, no end. This word begin is wrong. All right, so no start and no end in a life cycle. All right, because it keeps on continuing. It's a cycle. Okay, it goes on and on and on. So there is no beginning, there's no start, there's no end. So what it means is go on like this. So you cannot tell me, oh, the life cycle start from an egg. Oh, the life cycle end with an adult. Wrong. Cannot have an end. There is no start, there's no end, because the cycle keeps repeating itself again and again and again. So statement D is wrong. So only A and B are correct. So answer is A. Okay, so let me write it this way, clearer for you. A and B are correct. This one is wrong. So answer is A. Any questions so far? All right, now then, because you're going to sit for your end of the year exam, I normally try and revise very quickly the main concept. So here we have 3 stages life cycle. We have 4 stages life cycle. So memory aid is ENA. All right, ENA. What does ENA stand for? Anyone?
Eight name adult.
Okay, good. 8 name adult. All right. However, take note, the name is only for insect. All right. So for example, chicken, I will say chicken and frog, right? They are not insects. I will say they are 8 then what? Young adult. 8 young adult. Okay. But for insects, right? Some insects have 3 stages, some insects 4 stages. So to remember, some insects 3 stages, some insects 4 stages. So for cockroach and grasshopper, all right, because they are insects, the young has a special name called neem. So 8 neem adult. Is everybody clear? All right, only for insects. So neem is for insect. Only insect. Some insects have 3 stages, some insects have 4 stages. So for example, all these are insects with 4 stages. Butterfly, mosquito, beetle, they are all insects. All right. Then also take note, larva will molt, neem will molt. All right, so larva will molt, neem will molt. Molt means they shed the old skin. That means they remove the old skin. All right, for
And then eat it.
For a bigger one, for a bigger skin. All right, some of the insects will eat up their old skin because the old skin has nutrients, has vitamins. All right. Okay, another thing to take note, there are 2 animals that will lay eggs inside water. All right. So which are the animals that will lay eggs in water?
Mosquito.
And
Frog.
mosquito and frog. Good. So please remember frog and mosquito. All right. So frog will lay eggs in the water, mosquito will lay eggs in water. So remember that. Then also remember, we all know larva eats a lot, right? Okay, I did not write here. Maybe I'll write it for you. So larva molts, larva also eats a lot. Okay, maybe I'll use black, clearer. All right, larva is very greedy, right? They need to eat a lot to grow bigger. All right, then, but take note, pupa does not eat, pupa does not really move. It will move a little bit, sometimes it will twitch its body, but it does not, right, move from one place to another place. So pupa does not eat, pupa does not move. All right, any question based on this mind map? This is a summary map on the life cycles of animals. Now, let me ask you, how about life cycle of a plant? How many stages? Can you tell me? For plant?
3.
Very good. For plant, what are the name of the 3 stages?
Seed.
Seed. So flowering plant, you will start with seed, and then after that,
Young
plant, and then
adult.
adult plant. All right, seed, young plant, adult plant. Now, which stage will reproduce? Seed, young plant, adult plant. Which one will reproduce? Reproduce means they have new generation of plants. Adult plant. Only adult plant will have flowers. Only adult plant will have flowers and fruits, and then have the next generation of plant. Young plant will not have flower and fruits. So take note, young plant too young already, baby like that. They don't have flower and fruits. Only the adult has flower and fruits. All right. Then also take note for insects, right? Some insects have wings. Some insects have no wings. Like some ants don't have wings one. So some insects have wings, some insects have no wings. But those insects that have wings, neem doesn't have wings. All right, too young that have wings. Then the adult will start to grow wings. All right, so for those insects with wings, the neem does not have wings, adult has wings. Then for some insects, forever they have no wings. So some insects have wings, some insects have no wings. Any questions so far? All right, so for plant, 3 stages. Okay, so no start and no end in a life cycle. Okay, let's go to question 2. All right, for question 2, this is also poorly done. Okay, so let's do this again. This is talking about germination of seed. All right, seed germination means the seed will grow into a young plant. Germinate means from seed becomes young plant. That's called germinate. Now for germination, can you tell me how to remember the 3 conditions?
WOW.
Okay, good. So it's WOW, which is
Water,
Water.
oxygen, warm.
okay. So water, oxygen, warm. Okay, let me write here.